When I arrived to the United States in 2007, the first thing I did was turn on the TV and try to find out which channel telenovelas were on. To my dismay, I soon realized that telenovelas in the United States were broadcasted a few weeks behind the ones in Mexico. So I had to wait patiently even longer to find out what the dramatic conclusion to Pasión would be. This telenovela had captured my heart and starred two of my favorite actors, Fernando Colunga and Susana Gonzalez. And I couldn't wait to find out how it would end. Would Ricardo and Camila find their way back to each other? Or would Ricardo's pirate past keep them from a happy ending? And would Lizaveta finally be unmasked as a true villain? By 12, telenovelas had become a big part of my media consumption and DNA. In 2007, I couldn't tell you the plot of High School Musical or Lizzie McGuire, but I could tell you that at the end of Ruby, Fernanda has grown up to be the spitting image of her aunt and vows to take on the revenge against the family that wronged her. And I could also tell you the exact shade of red lipstick Paola Bracho wore in La Usurpadora. And I could also tell you that in El Diablo con los Guapos, Millie and Alejandro weren't really siblings because Constancio wasn't Alejandro's real father. Telenovelas were my childhood. Over the years, as I grew up, I stopped watching telenovelas, but they never really left my essence. I credit my wild imagination and tendency to exaggerate to growing up with telenovelas. And daily, I catch myself giving my friends advice based on the telenovela scenarios of my childhood. And every once in a while, when I'm feeling particularly homesick, I'll find myself looking for telenovela clips on YouTube in an effort to feel closer to home. So now, I have decided to take my love of telenovelas to the next level by starting this podcast. My name is Dulce Valencia, and welcome to Telenovelas con Dulce, a podcast where every week I will go back and rewatch some of the classic telenovelas like Rubí, La Madrastra, and La Usurpadora, as well as newer classics like Teresa, La Reina del Sur, Tierra de Reyes, and La Casa de las Flores. Every week, I will invite special guests in the form of fellow telenovela lovers, telenovela haters, and maybe even a telenovela actor themselves to break down everything from the plot, to the cast, to the music, to the unforgettable plot twists. So, stay tuned for our first telenovela, Rubí, the classic story by Yolanda Vargas Dulce that tells a tale of a young and beautiful woman who will use her beauty to get everything she wants in life, no matter what it costs. Stay tuned.